Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Guys, today I want to talk about Robinhood potentially listing cryptocom CRO coin. I want to talk about Bitcoin and the yearly candle close, which is a day away, guys. And I also want to talk about just some other things going on in the macroeconomic space. So let's hop into this, guys. We are at 6,160 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we will be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Also, when we reach 25,000 subscribers, guys, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT that is about $2,200, guys. We are super excited to give this away. Just go over to the Twitter, retweet this, and be subscribed, and you can win this. There's lots more giveaways to come, so stay tuned, guys. All right, let's hop into this. All right, so I tweeted over on Twitter last night and today, there's been a lot of this posting of this photo going around of cryptocom on Robinhood. And if you don't know what Robinhood is, it's basically like the onboarding app for beginners when it comes to traditional market stock trading and a little bit of crypto, maybe if you want to buy meme coins. But they are starting to lean more towards more cryptocurrencies. But everybody on my timeline was saying how there's crypto.com getting listed, but I dove a little bit deeper into this. So I said you've been able to look up different currencies on Robinhood for a while now, but can we get a petition for CRO to be tradable? And then I added Robinhood because it'd be awesome if we could trade. But guys, unfortunately, you cannot trade crypto.com right now. CRO can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. That's unfortunate, but let's look over at Robinhood because you can look these coins up, guys. I mean, look at this. You got CRO coin right here. Let's look up something else. I know they have Shiba Inu. You can look at Shiba Inu, but let's look at something that's just like collapsed recently, like Filecoin. Like you can look up Filecoin. I'm pretty sure you can look up just about any coin on Robinhood right now, but you cannot trade it. So let's get a petition. Go retweet this tweet. Maybe we can get Robinhood's attention. Maybe they'll start to offer trading CRO coin. And if there was any time for them to offer CRO coin, it would be now, guys, because FTX was in the process of basically buying all of Robinhood. But since FTX is gone, I think that Robinhood would I think it would behoove Robinhood, honestly, to be able to sell all of these coins. And I'm sure FTX didn't really want their competition's coin on their app. But since FTX is not going through with the purchase, well, hypothetically not going through, I mean, if they magically find another $10 billion somewhere, just pull it out of thin air like how they did previously, then they're not buying Robinhood. And if they're not buying Robinhood, well, then it's a great opportunity for Robinhood to not be restricted and to start adding more currencies. So there's a positive note to this, guys. I think that there's a decent chance here that you could see Crypto.com being listed on Robinhood, and it's great to see. So let's move on, guys. So let's talk about the Crypto.com CRO coin price, guys. We are retesting the support level right here. We are doing this. That's okay as long as our rallies get above this mark right here at about the 6 and about 0.0615 cents. If we can break above that, I'll be happy on the next bounce up as long as we are not doing the grinding action. We talk about this in every morning in my video. When I talk about this, I say we don't want to see the grinding. If we see the grinding with low volume, we're going to break through the bottom of this, and then we're going to fall down and capitulate. We don't want to see that, guys. We want to see bouncing, and like that. That's what we want to see. We want to see a retest to the top of this channel at about 10 cents. That's our goal. That's what we want to see. Once we have that, then there'll be some serious bullish confirmation about that. And talking about bullish confirmation, we are in a bear market. However, we are getting closer and closer, guys. It is almost the end of the year. A new yearly candle open and a candle close. But before we get to that, let's show this, guys. We are leading up to 365 days to the Bitcoin halving. You know that I talk about this, guys. It's really important. 365 days. The hype is going to start. I really do believe that the bottom is in right now. That's not financial advice, but I am there's so many indicators saying that that's what's going on. And if it's not in, I think the worst that we could get is another 50% drawdown. And you know what? I would rather take the bet of buying into a asset where I could get a 50% drawdown, but a 300% gain. That's an asymmetrical bet. And honestly, Bitcoin 300% gain is child's play for it. I mean, we could definitely see leading in the next bull run a 180K Bitcoin, if not more. And yeah, guys. I mean, buying any time from now to say if we do get a 50% drawdown. I mean, where does that bring us? Let's look where that brings us, guys. That brings us to about the $8,000 mark. Okay, guys? $8,000. Guys, buying from here to $8,000 is a steal. It's as simple as that. If you buy at 16,000, we go to 30,000, you double your money. You buy at 8,000, you triple your money. It's still great. It's still great. Or you would actually quadruple your money, excuse me. But right now is just an amazing accumulation zone. Right now is a great time to be dollar cost averaging, guys. And a lot of people will tell you, "Oh no, we're going to 3K, we're going to 3K." You know, it's just like when people were saying we were going to 100K last bull market. We only reached about 69,000. You know, as we go lower, people will call for lower and lower price targets. And just as when we go higher, people will call for higher and higher price targets. It's as simple as that. But you need to the safest thing to do is just DCA, guys, especially when we are trading like this in a bear market. Guys, if you are still here in this bear market, you're a winner. It's as simple as that. You are a winner, and you know what's going to come, and you know that there's great opportunity around this corner, guys. So let's look over the yearly candle close. We have 9 hours, guys, 9 hours and 14 minutes until the candle close. I'm pretty excited. I really, really hope that we do not break down below this mark because that will be a very, very curious thing. This blue line right here, about 13,000. We need to stay above that, guys. And do I think we're going to stay above that? I really do. I think that 14K is about the lowest we can go. But I did just say that I believe bottom is in. I believe 15,500 was the bottom, guys. I could be wrong, like I said, but I'm pretty confident that was the bottom. You know, when these yearly candle closes and opens, there's usually a volatile move. So please stay safe and pay attention to what's going on in the markets. If you want to open up a long or a short, go in the description box below. We have affiliate links to BitGet. You can get up to $8,000 in a sign-up bonus. We have $4,500 for Femex and a $600 sign-up bonus for Binance. There's lots of free money in the bear market, guys. Please take that opportunity. Let's look over the S&P 500. So I've been saying, guys, let's look at the weekly. I've been saying, you know, I don't want to see us break below this mark at about the $4,700 mark. And honestly, on the weekly time frame, as long as we don't break below the 3,500, I'm okay, and I think that is healthy. But I will say that if we break below the $3,500 mark and we come past here and we try to retest wouldn't even be retesting, it'd be kind of just making new lows. I would be a little worried about that. And when I say new lows, I mean new lows in this particular channel. But guys, we don't want to see that. We do not want to see that. I'm really, really, really curious to see what happens in January with the Federal Reserve, which stance they start to take the markets, because, guys, you cannot fight the Fed. I'm very, very curious to see what they have to say. I really hope that we're dovish and we start to have some risk-on asset rallies, which would be fantastic because there's been a lot of blood in the past year, honestly, guys, and we need a recovery for the people that have been investing. Okay, so, guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider liking and subscribing. Also, please consider becoming a member. All you have to do is click this join button here. And guys, you get lots of free badges, and you get these badges, basically loyalty badges to show for how many months you've been subscribed, or how many months you've been a member. You get these emojis for our live streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also, we have different tiers with different perks, and we are also, CryptoKip and I are coming out with a private Discord where I will be giving you guys my trading signals, my NFT alpha, the NFTs that I'm purchasing, and what CryptoKip is purchasing. You'll have one-on-one time with us. I'm really, really excited about it. It should be ready here in about a week, and that will be available for different tiers of our Patreon members and for our YouTube members, guys. Also, if you become a member, you get 10 additional entries to this little line, guys. So you'll have a massive advantage if you become a member. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.